Our trip commenced with a coastal ride from Salalah to Duqm. We then proceeded on to Muscat area, where we enjoyed some good coffee shops and some time in the water, and again exploring beaches. We concluded our trip in the mountains, spending time in Jebel Akhdar and Jebel Shams.
So we've been driving looking for a pink beach with pink seashells. And we found someone that speaks English giving us directions to find the beach. For now we're in a fishing village with lots of camel farms, and the seashells we're looking for look like that, but it's apparently an entire beach.
Nice long section of pink beach here, these pink shells. Usually they're just in patches, but this one we drove by is a very consistent little section of pink beaches.
By pouring in the wadi?
Let's do it.
Okay.
You're gonna follow?
Yeah. Reg gets to drive the car and he makes me run behind it.
And this is Jebel Shams area, and this is the Jebel Shams resort. You can see there's about 10 of these little mountain chalets. You can see Mini Beluga here, getting a little dirty. Been doing a lot of 4x4 off-roading. Here we are on the ridge of Jebel Shams. Carrie and I are in our hiking summer attire. It's like 20 degrees outside. And we came across our friends here at the ridge, and they're dressed in their winter jackets. How's the weather here?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cold? Yeah. Where are you guys from?
We're from Muscat.
Okay. You come here often?
No, we just go to random spots to chill.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is off-grid.
Yeah.
Right?
Right. Okay, let's look what's on the edge here. It's our first time we come. Oh, there's our hiking spot. Wow. Your hiking spot?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go. She's anxious to hike.
We need a photo.
Don't step back.
Yeah, don't step back.
I don't want to kill anyone. Your names again?
Muhammad.
Adnan.
Mahrez.
I know yours. Rejon and Carrie.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Thanks for obliging.
Enjoy your time here, guys, and have the best time you can ever get.
Thank you.
Right. Sorry to interrupt again.
No worries. Anytime.
All right. Bye-bye. Here we are on the W6 trail, continuing our hike. We're going to turn around tonight. We're going to do it again tomorrow.
Because we're only halfway down, because it's going to get dark.
Plus, we've been taking pictures and droning almost every 100 meters, so we need to be more serious about our hiking tomorrow.
Look at this. We're in the Grand Canyon, though. You got to stop and enjoy.
Right on. More tomorrow.
We've got a long ways up. I think about an hour up.
Oh, we got a friend.
What? Oh! Hi! Meh.
Somebody's not afraid.
I shall call you Lucy. Oh my god, where's your phone? I gotta take a picture. That's super cool. He's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi.
We're back here on the next day, next morning. Very different than yesterday. Yesterday, this whole side was in the shade. This morning, this whole side is in the sun. We're baking, so we thought we would do 10K. We're probably going to cut it in half.
Ooh, look at this.
Pretty cool section of the Grand Canyon of Oman here. There, the trail's right to the edge. And you can see straight down. Hundreds of meters, if not 1,000.
Look at where the water comes down. It's so amazing.
The little steps there. Have you ever seen a goat tree climber? Question of the day. Walking along, see a little baby goat.
Watch the baby, he's scared.
And then looking around, Carrie says, "Oh, the mama's in the tree." Can you see that? Hi. Your mama's a brave one. You see these old huts. You can see the terraced plateaus, which is where they did their farming.
What? That's insane though. Really.
Well, look at the houses. Do you think that's insane?
Wow.
Let's go there.
This way, I think. Over here.
Oh yeah.
This way.
What's that about? Since you trust that platform. Oh wow. How would you like to live here? Wow, wow, wow. One house. Another house.
Lonely existence,
I think you could have some carbon debris from having fires inside to keep warm.
What was this? Little hangout spot? Keep the kids safe. It was the playpen.
We found this town of Ain with a little path that's marked, and it's got these little canals that are going to these fields, and I could see them up ahead, a lot of them, all the farm fields. I'm not sure what they're growing there, but look at that. They all got these walls to them, each layer. It's really spectacular actually. We're just down a ways from the village of Ain, a little farming community in the canyon. As you can see, they have little terraces and nice walls that kind of support each level. And you can see the gardening just below me now. And there's a whole hiking trail that's marked with the typical hiking indicators. And I think if we turn the corner, we're going to see more of the canyon. Let me follow Carrie.
It's unreal that they could have carved these in the side of a mountain for growing.
So lush, so green, every level.
And brilliant, facing the east morning sun so that it gets sunshine all morning and most of the afternoon till probably 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then the sun goes over this crest so that none of the crops would burn. Brilliant.
All right. What was your favorite part of these last 7 days?
Oh, definitely the Grand Canyon. Actually, no. It was spending every moment with my love.
Wait, let's do this again. What was your favorite part in the last 7 days?
The Grand Canyon.
All right, so we're anxious to go back to Salalah. But the Via Ferrata was interesting, but Carrie thinks it's a rookie one, so she's not more interested
I
in
want
that.
hardcore.
She wants hardcore zip lines and all.
Fear factor. I don't want no little pissy Via Ferrata.
But put her on this mountain road with all the switchbacks and she's screaming like a little girl to slow down.
Well, when you think you're driving a Ferrari, the 4x4
Toyota Fortuner,
Toyota.
it was fine.
No.
Next time I put her at the wheel, we'll be going twice the speed as I was going today.
I like the control.
Wow. The Royal Edge for Dining by Design by Anantara. Right. Overlooking a canyon. Overlooking a pool. Quite spectacular place.